Okay, so variation of parameters. Remember that when you do variations of parameters, you solve for the homogeneous portion of this differential equation. And so y1 and y2 are your linearly independent solutions for the homogeneous portion. And then you're going to use y1 and y2 to find u1 and u2, and this full combination ends up giving us the complete solution to this problem. So like on all the other problems, let's start off with just our auxiliary equation for the homogeneous portion of this differential equation. So for the homogeneous portion, we're going to have the m squared plus 4 is going to equal 0. Or m squared equals -4. So m would equal plus or minus 2i by taking the square root of both sides. Okay? So what that's telling me is that so write it like this. Y sub c equals c1 now cosine of 2x plus c2 sine of 2x. Okay. So, okay, we've got our, all right, so this is our y1, and this is our y2. Okay. Now, the first thing to do is to find w, okay? And now remember that w is going to equal y1, y1 prime, y2, y2 prime. All right, so y1 is cosine of 2x, y2 is sine of 2x. Now the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So that's going to be negative sine of 2x times 2. Derivative of sine is cosine 2x times 2. All right? So we have cosine, we're doing this determinant, okay? So cosine multiplied by cosine is cosine squared. So this is going to come out to 2 cosine squared of 2x, okay? And then remember we subtract the other part of the determinant, but this has got a minus sign on it, so the minus and the minus cancel each other out, and we're going to end up with plus okay? Go. Okay. And now remember that you can pull a 2 out of this thing, all right? No big deal. And the cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. So what does this really come out to? This comes out to 2. That's our W. Okay. All right. Now W1, remember that this is 0, and then f of x, which is the right-hand side, and y2, and y2 prime. Okay? So this is going to be 0 and 7. That's what's on the right-hand side of the problem. Right? So we got 0 and 7, and sine of 2x times derivative of sine, which is cosine of 2x times 2. Okay? So that's going to be 0 minus 7 sine of 2x, okay? Which is just going to come out to negative 7 sine of 2x. Okay? So now we need to find W2. 2x, and the root cosine is negative sine, so that's negative sine of 2x times 2 and 0 and 7. Okay? So that becomes now 7 times cosine of 2x minus 0, which is going to equal 7 times cosine 2x. Alright. So now we're going to look for, remember that u1 prime is going to be w1 divided by w. Okay? So u1 prime is going to be w1 divided by w. Right? So that's going to be now negative 7 sine of 2x divided by 2. Right? Great. We found u1 prime. All right? All right, so if we want to find u1, we're going to have to integrate this thing. So if I integrate sine, it changes signs. So, and what else is it going to do? It's going to spit it 2 down to the bottom. So this means that u1 is going to be 7 now cosine of 2x divided by 4. Okay? All right. Now, u2 prime, which equals, now this is w2 divided by w. Where's my w2? Cosine of 2x. Now this would be 7 okay? So we're going to have to integrate this up. Remember, when you integrate cosine, it does not change signs. This is going to stay positive. All right. It means that u2 is going to be 7 sine of 2x divided by 4. Right? Okay. Let's put it all together. So, y is going to equal c1 cosine of 2x plus c2 now sine of 2x. Okay, that's the complementary solution, and then we have to also add in the particular solution. So that's going to be plus 7 over 4, and this is going to be cosine of 2x. That's my u1 times my y1, which is cosine of 2x. All right, now plus 7 over 4, and this is going to be, this guy is sine of 2x, but it's being multiplied by y2. So that guy is also being multiplied by sine of 2x. All right? Okay. But notice what happens inside of this problem. Cosine of 2x and cosine of 2x is really cosine squared. And sine of 2x and sine of 2x is really sine squared. We can pull 7 over 4 out of both of these. And what we get? You get cosine squared of 2x plus sine squared of 2x. And that just becomes 1. So, c1 cosine of 2x plus c2 sine of 2x and plus 7 over 4. Okay? And that is the solution through the variation of parameters.